Hi guys, this is Oksana Berfinard and welcome to Technical Thursdays. So in today's video I will be talking to you about a specific storage solution that I found helpful to accommodate my art supplies. Now, to say that I'm a storage guru, that won't be true. To be honest, my storage solutions are all over the place, but once in a while I find something that works with specific art supplies. Okay, so I was browsing at Michael's, and no, I'm not affiliated or being paid for any promotions or any advertising. I browsed at Michael's just like I normally do, because I always love art supplies or look for art supplies for different projects. And I found this big, huge photo storage box, and it has a lot of like little ones, and they're all colored photo boxes, right? Now, because Neocolors come in like these wax crayons type of thing, not children crayons, they're artistic quality crayons, right? And I did not like anything that I found at home to fit, to put them all in one layer, because I did not quite like anything where I would put more and more layers of the crayons. I needed something in one layer and I can easily reach out and put back in. And nothing worked. Nothing that I had at home worked. So that's where I saw this, and a bulb in my hand went, woo, great idea. I'm going to try with my Neocolors by Caran. And I actually quite liked how it all fits. And now the way I use Neocolors is for my current or past or future artwork that I do in colored pencils, and I use as an additional, like a for background, or maybe it could be an underpainting. So I mix it sometimes with colored pencils, and so this would be very easy to reach, and it also I found enough room in here for my blending. So Neocolors and blending tools go together very good. So if I'm looking for one, I may look for another, and they're all in one big package. All right, so if you want to find out more about how I put this together, stay with me and enjoy the video. Before I assemble any of my Neocolor II crayons, I do a bit of a preparation. To line each small photo box, I use a non-slip shelf liner cut to a desired size, so it fits each of these small boxes. You can get these liners that come in rolls very cheap at Walmart, and the reason for me to use the non-slip liner is to prevent the crayons from rolling, and it gives extra padding, which is always a good idea. So that's why I decided also to do that in this project. And next I cut out the piece of tape to label each of these small boxes. This way will allow me to easily see what's inside without checking by opening each box. The next step that I will do is laying my crayons down. And since boxes come in different colors, I tried the best to match the colors to put inside of each colored box. But I also had to do some of the adjustments for some colors. I found that the length of these Neocolor crayons fit perfectly inside each box. Also, if you notice, these boxes stack pretty well on top of one another, which is another bonus to have. So here I'm showing you how I already organized the crayons by their colors, and you can see the collection that I have acquired of Neocolor IIs. They're water soluble, and they're wonderful for a variety of projects, for different mediums that you can use. And I work mainly with colored pencil, and there's so many interesting techniques that you can use these water-soluble crayons in your colored pencil projects. I also try to make sure that I label each of the boxes by using a Sharpie, and just so I can easily read what's inside each box. Since I had a lot of room left in my photo boxes, I had a small set of Neopastel by the same brand, by Caran, and I just decided to use them up and store them in these pretty boxes. With more empty boxes left, I found a great use for my blending tools. New colors are used very well with a variety of tools. So to have them stored in these boxes will give me easier time to find what I need when working with this medium. Also, I just love my blending tools being organized in this manner. This is a much neater, in my opinion, organizing solution. Compared to what I previously had them put in. So you can take a quick look here with how I organized the different sponge applicators and blending tools, sponges, paper stamps of different lengths. So it's nicely organized. And here is the final look at how it all looks together assembled, and I would say I'm quite pleased with it. All of these boxes fit so well in the bigger box or container, and then you can just snap it in and carry it. Very portable if you need to go somewhere or traveling, or just a simple storage solution for even small spaces. Thank you for staying and watching the video. I really hope it was helpful for you in any way and benefited you in your own storage solutions. So please share what you're using and find it helpful. I would love to hear from you, and hopefully I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.